Let us see this example where the function a, b, c, d equals to summation 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 8, 10 and 11. So we have to reduce this expression by using the Karnaugh map, and we have to plot the logic gate diagram of the reduced expression. So for this we will plot the Karnaugh map of the SOP expression, and then wherever the designation values are given, in all those values we will put 1 and the remaining places we will put 0. So here the remaining places we will put 0, and then we will first see that the maximum what can be formed. So we see here, instead of making 2 pair we can make 1 quad. So 1 quad we have made. Now another, again instead of 2 pairs we can make use of concept of roll mapping, and we can make a quad. So we are having 2 quads, and then the corner 2 as a pair. So from this we are getting there are 2 quads and 1 pair, and the quad from first quad M4, M5, M6 and M7 is reduced to A bar B, and the second quad M2, M3, M10 and M11, again when we reduce we get the reduced expression as B bar C. We can see from the Karnaugh map also how it is reducing. We see that the first quad that we have considered here, A bar B is common for all the ones. So A bar B will remain. Now we see that C bar, D bar, C bar, D. So this D and D bar will cancel. Whereas the C and C bar will cancel. Here also C and C bar will cancel. Whereas the D and D bar will cancel. So for this quad we will get the reduced expression as A bar B. So we see here we are getting the reduced expression A bar B. The second one we see, that is your M3, M2, M3, M10, M11. Now here we are seeing that for this A bar B, and from here it is for this one we are having A B bar. So B bar and B bar is common, where A bar and A will cancel. Similarly these two columns are common for both. So C, D, C, D bar. So D and D bar will cancel. So from the column we are getting C, and from the row we are getting B bar. It means for this quad we will be having the reduced expression, that is B bar C. So we see that we are getting the second quad reduced expression as B bar C. For the pair, we see A B bar is common for both. It means it will remain A B bar, and we have also learned that the pair reduces only one component. So for this column, for this one, we are having C bar, D bar, and for this ones the column is C, D bar. Now we see D bar and D bar is same, but C and C bar will cancel each other. So for this pair we will have a reduced expression A B bar D bar. So let us see, is it coming so? So we see that for the pair we are having the reduced expression as A B bar D. Therefore the reduced expression is A bar B plus B bar C plus A B bar D bar. When we plot a logic gate diagram, we have to plot the logic gate diagram. So we see there is a ANDing done between the components, so AND gates are used, and then it goes to the OR gate as the expressions are having ORing in between, and this is the logic gate. Now if we do it like this, we have completed the entire question. Let us see the another question which is having the POS how to reduce the POS expression. So from the given Boolean function PQRS, where the pi 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 10. Remember, in POS we have to pair a quad or octet with zeros. So we will plot a K-map of the POS and remember of putting the combination, and then we will see maximum what we can form. So we see that there are 4 zeros that can be combined to form one quadrate, then 2 corners and then 4 corners. So there are 3 quads only for this K-map. So the 3 quads are there. Remember that the max term combination we have to write, and the designation value we have to write with capital M with the dots. So M0 dot M1 dot M4 dot M5, and its max term combinations we will write. The opposite components will cancel. So for the first quad we get P plus R. Similarly for the second quad we get P plus S, and from the third quad we are having the combination of M0, M2, M3, M8 and M10. So we are getting the combination of Q plus S. Again, back to the Karnaugh map, we can see from the Karnaugh map also whether these derivations we are getting is correct or not. So for the 4 corners we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. We are having P bar will cancel, and from here we will get Q. Similarly, R plus S and R bar plus S, R and R bar will cancel, so we will get Q plus S. For this set of 4, we see P and P is common, Q and Q bar will cancel. Similarly, R and R is common, S and S bar will cancel. So for this set of 4, we will get P plus R. And for the corner set of 4, we are getting, again P will remain, Q and Q bar will cancel, and R and R bar will cancel. So we will get P plus S. So we see that the reduced expression is P plus R dot P plus S dot Q plus S, and this is the plotting of the logic gate diagram, where ORing is done between P components. So OR gate is used, and then ANDing is done at the last. So AND gate is used, and we put the arrows and the values also we can write down, and the function f we write here. So this is all about the Karnaugh map, how to plot, how to reduce, and from the reduced expression how to make the logic gates diagram. Thank you.